Hi, everyone. Welcome back to another video from Tech It's Simple. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to find the wallet address in the XcelPay application. Finding a wallet address in XcelPay is a simple process which just takes a few steps. So, the first thing to do is to launch/open XcelPay wallet on your iOS device or your Android device and make sure to log into your account. From the main wallet page, go ahead and tap on the Receive button at the top. Now, select the specific cryptocurrency from the drop-down menu at the top left that you would want to find the wallet address for. Select one of the cryptocurrencies, and you will be able to see the wallet address for that specific cryptocurrency. Doing this will open up your wallet address and the QR code displayed on your screen for the specific cryptocurrency. Anyone can scan this QR code and send you Ethereum or your specific cryptocurrency that you've chosen on your wallet. You can also send the wallet address by tapping on the Copy button at the bottom and share it with anyone. If you ever want to request payment from one of your contacts, tap on the Request Payment option at the bottom and select one of the contacts from the list or select one of the applications from where you would like to share your wallet address. So, that is how you can easily find your wallet address on XcelPay. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode.